Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys a little video on how to make this yummy dish. So if you guys want to check it out, then keep on watching. So I started off with some skinless salmon. I'm just going to go ahead and season it. I just added a little bit of black pepper and some salt. And I added some olive oil to my pan, to my skillet. Just to make sure it does not stick. All right, and let it cook for about 5 minutes on each side, depending on how thick your salmon is. And remember to flip it over. Look at that yummy stuff. Ooh, it looks so good, y'all. I'm adding some onions and garlic to the same pan and just letting that cook as well. Then I'm going to add some spinach cuts. So I added some chicken broth and heavy whipping cream. And these are my spices. I will put it down below in the description box for you guys. Next up, I added some red bell peppers. And I'm just mixing that all in. Look at that yummy stuff. And once it's done cooking, I just add back in my salmon and drizzle a little bit of that on top. And that looks so good, you guys. I'm hungry again. I've been obsessed with salmon lately. Like, literally, this is all I eat right now. And voila, look at how yummy that looks. And you can stop right here, or you guys can continue watching to see what I made for my side dish. And how I cook my cauliflower rice. So I used this rice veggies from Green Giant. This is their cauliflower risotto medley. And it has no seasoning, so make sure you guys add your own. And then these are my seasonings that I used. And boom, your finished product. So thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and leave a comment if you guys want to see some more cooking videos, because lately I've been doing a lot of healthy recipes. So let me know if you guys want to see more. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.